Afreen, we will just put out that breaking that you have just mentioned for our viewers, that the Congress leader Rajiv Gowda has in fact issued that apology to the Shiddlaghatta City Municipal Commissioner Amruta Gowda in connection with this alleged life threat and abuse that he hurled against her. So this is an apology that has been right now issued, but clearly not enough, because that audio clip really suggests that the civic official had said that please do not go ahead and use these unparliamentary words. This is not right. The banner has just been removed. It has not been defiled. It has been kept in the Congress office. But all of that really fell on deaf ears. Afreen, what was the entire agitation all about by Rajiv Gowda to go to this extent?
Well, he says that program event banners were put up, and he had already taken permission from the municipal commissioner on January 9th, and she had permitted them to put up the banners in the city. Now, even after taking permission, the banner was taken down. Now, that is where all this escalation has led to. He called her up and he asks her, why was the banner, which I had taken permission for, taken down? And she goes on to say that vehicles were crashing into it because it was put in the middle of the road. That's the reason we had to remove the banner and keep it aside. And I'd also informed the workers that this is the reason why we're taking it down. He goes on to say that this is not the first time that this is happening. You have taken down my banners to put up somebody else's banners, that is the Shiddlaghatta MLA's banners. He does not particularly mention the name of the MLA, but he goes on to say that I know on whose directions you've done that and whose banners you put up instead of my banners. And
has there any other banner come up in that area from where the banners have been removed?
From what we know, that no banners had been put up there since the commissioner mentions that the vehicles were crashing into the banners that were put up because it was in the middle of the road, and she had directed the officials to put it on the sides of the road and not in the middle of the road.
Right, Afreen, thank you so much for all of that information.